Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Visual Studio and create a new console or web project targeting. Net 6. Install the Amazon Q SDK package from New, Get in the Solution Explorer. Confirm the package version is compatible with C#10 language features. Next, install and configure the AWS CLI on your machine for credential management. Run Oz configure and enter your access key, secret key, default region, and JSON output preference. Restart Visual Studio so the new SDK and CLI credentials load into your development environment. Use Oz configure to store your AWS access key and secret key locally on your machine. Set the AWS region environment variable to the region where your Amazon Q resource is live. Prefer IAM roles or temporary credentials for production environments to limit exposure. In Visual Studio, confirm the SDK picks up credentials using the default credential chain. Optionally test authentication with a simple AWS SDK call to list S3 buckets or call Amazon Q describe endpoints. Verify the call returns successfully before writing integration code. In your C# project, add using statements for the Amazon Q client namespaces. Instantiate an Amazon Q client with default credentials and the configured region. Build a query request object with the model ID and the prompt or input payload you want to evaluate. Send the request asynchronously and await the query response result to avoid blocking the UI thread. Stream tokens or process the response content as the SDK returns chunks for long outputs. Add error handling for throttling, invalid credentials, or model not found errors and retry with exponential backoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.